Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. It is going to be my July kit lineup. I do want to preface with I change my mind a lot. So I actually have some things back in here. Also my nails, they're busted. We'll get on them eventually. I have some things back in here that I want to show you that have come about, changed my mind since my last video. This, the same. This, the same. But here's where it changed. So I was seeing if there was any other like pool kind of vibes, beach, summer kits coming out, and I saw this one and fell in love. So I did end up moving the mermaid kit back here, but we'll get into that then. That was like a mystery, but it was kind of movable, but I would use it if there was nothing else that I loved. But then I saw this kit come out from Caress Press. So this is June 13th through the 19th. Which I will be in Miami for a couple days during this week with my BFF Kane. So I'm very excited of Print Impression to be using this super cute little pool kit. I love the colors. It's super fun and bright and pretty. I love me some pink, but I thought that Maggie did this so well, and I love like the pop of green in here. This is in like the newer format, so the little things like don't have the icons and stuff. There is a box here. I think this might have been a freebie. I don't know if it was an add-on or a freebie, but I'll probably just use the one in the kit just to make my life easy. And then I also got it with the ombre hair checklist just in case I didn't end up wanting to use it in my main planner. I could use it in my work planner. And then there's the bottom washi, which is super pretty as well. And then I think there was maybe two different options for the 15mm strip. I think it was maybe, or maybe there wasn't, but I'm pretty sure that it was either the hot pink or the light pink, and I picked the light pink. I honestly either one of them, I don't have a preference. So, and then like I said, I think it came with these Fashion People, but I'm not 100% sure. Then for like other things that I'm thinking about using with it, I'll probably just save this. I don't need to put it back in there. I do have the Caress Press Palms foil bundle. This was like an oops one. It has like an extra like corner here, but like you could just cut it off or leave it. It doesn't really matter. Well, I guess it is a different design. It's like a heart design. Well, that one's on there too, so maybe it is the same one. I don't know. I think it just accidentally got on there, but don't care. Gonna be using that with that. And then I pulled in some like extra bits that I thought would look cute. I think I'm going to see if Hannah has any like palm leaf type bottom washi or like underlays, like something beachy. If not, I'm just going to use regular bougie boxes, and I have just like a bunch of like these ones. Oh, or I'll use these. So these are from City Stickers if I'm wanting to use them up. They're really like just kind of sparkly bows. So I figured if there was no underlays that I wanted to use from Planet Hannah whenever she reopens, I'm just going to use those. So we'll see. And then I have this bucket list from Randy.Plans. That's a summer bucket list, as well as the one from my shop, because I figured I probably could use a couple of those. And then I pulled out these quote boxes. I believe there's like 4 different summer ones maybe. And these are the ones that I thought would be the cutest with this set. I think the Tropic Like It's Hot is going to be really cute with it, but also like Resting Beach Face, because I thought that that was adorable as well. So we will see. Might put a ton of quotes. We will see how it goes. Super cute. Love the colors. I think it's kind of fun also for a pool kit. I don't think I've seen a pool kit that's like all pink for the most part. So I was excited about that. Then I also wanted to show y'all my, well, spoiler alert, my June 20th to 26th. I mentioned that I couldn't show this because it didn't come out yet, but this is the June 2022 mystery, and I only added in a couple of things. I'm using the foil bundle that came with it, because I think that this art is just like so dang cute. I don't want to like cover too much, so I think the confetti is nice because it's like pretty minimal. I also pulled in the tall box because there is a tall box in this kit. I'll probably use the confetti one. I also pulled in the wide box overlays, like so those two, for the double box scene in this kit. And then I also pulled out this one because I was thinking You Make My Heart Happy would be cute for like an ice cream kit, or You're the Best Thing That's Ever Been Mine would also, like, these are Taylor Swift. Well, that's a Taylor Swift quote. Maybe it's just this one that's Taylor Swift, but I thought that these ones, they're on like a love quote sheet, would be funny for like ice cream, like kind of like LOL, like that's funny. I don't know, maybe I'm not funny, but we'll see. So that is everything that changed, I believe, for June. And then moving on to July, which who knows, might change by next month. We'll see. This is the Stranger Things kit, and I'm a big old poser, and I've only watched the first season of Stranger Things, and I mentioned whenever I released this kit like into shop that I was thinking about watching it, and every single person that I know that watches it messaged me to tell me that there's no way that I will make it through it, so don't even start it. Don't waste my time because it's too scary. So thank you, y'all, because I would have been devastated if I watched like 2 seasons and then the like last season I couldn't handle, so I would have, what's the point anyways? But I watched 1 season and I thought it was cute. I like the aesthetic, I like the look, I like the fashion people, I like the elements, I like it, so we're gonna use it. So I pulled out the red and blue foil bundle, which is another pull for this because I thought that that would be cool with the red and the blue. And then I wanted to use the string lights. I think Kirsten mentioned using these, and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. And I thought the orange was kind of a good like mixture between the orange and the red. And then you have the green, which I think is a pretty good match to that green. Though I do know that she has a new foil color. She posted them. Well, it's pumpkin, so it doesn't really give you anything, but I'm pretty sure that that's like this color. I actually have a list of stuff for whenever she opens to order, so I think I'm going to actually order the pumpkin, and then I'll just save this and put it in my Christmas section. So pumpkin, because I think the pumpkin would be really cute. It'll also be in my, all the foil colors will be in my next haul. Actually, do I have it? I'm pretty sure she showed them. This one. I think pumpkin would be a cute match, actually. Yeah. Just kidding. I'm going to order pumpkin because I think pumpkin will match the orange better. This is, I think, the current orange, and then this is pumpkin. So I think pumpkin, I'm going to order it, and then I'm going to put this in with my Christmas stuff because you never know. I'm going to put this in here just to remind myself. Actually, I'll remember. But I also feel like if you wanted to order pumpkin for anything, the old like copper, if you have any of that, is a pretty close match to it, or probably even the new copper, TBH. I think that'll be a vibe because then basically I'll have all of the colors kind of accounted for, and I could even pull in maybe some like icons or something to bring in more of the green and the orange, green and the pumpkin. So I'm gonna need to order some things for that. This is what happens. Then there's this kit here, which is Atlantis, and I'm not even mad I'm using 2 like mermaid kits this month because it's gonna be Mermaid July apparently. So this is the Atlantis kit. I love this colorway. I love the whole vibe. I think this would be really pretty laid down. And I also kind of just switched this up last minute. But I thought that the thing is I just really wanted to use this foil bundle, and I was like looking through my kits and like, what can I do? What can I do to make this happen, right? So the gold champagne lights shimmer, I thought would be beautiful with this, right? So pretty. I'm actually gonna write down to send hand some of these, so send the mixed metal. Okay. So super cute, right? And then I pulled in this, which is the tall and wide, because there's 2 like scenes. So you have this one. I was thinking the one that is like this, that has the 2 that you could flip, could go on her. And then I was thinking the stroke could go on here. I don't think there's a tall, but I'll just save that for later. Love that. And then I had these that I had bought in for another mermaid kit that I was going to use. And I was like, wait, I feel like these might be a vibe with this. So this is going to be like a last minute call because this one also has like the fancy. So I'm not sure if I'm actually, am I going to want to do this? I don't know. No, we're going to save it because I have other mermaid kits over the years. It's going to happen. I'll save them. Thought it would be a vibe. It would be a vibe like if you wanted to, because I think the blue would be really pretty with this blue, purple, pink. We'll see. Then we have the Jack Sparrow kit, which I swear, I have ordered so many of these stinking Pirate's Life underlays that I can't. And the thing is, I thought I was done last time. I think that I have like 6 to 8 of these pirate underlays. And I'm like, okay, I'm good now. So my idea here was that I was going to use these, right? How many of them do I have? Okay, I really don't know. So I was going to use silver with this, right? I feel like this is like a cool toned palette. So I was going to use silver, right? And I even got like the Pirates quotes in silver. I have this bougie box here to remind me that I wanted to do these bougies underneath here. But then Hannah's coming out with a foil color that's basically matte bronze. And matte bronze is what I wanted to use with this initially. Oh, y'all, you don't even know. You don't even know what's going on right now. Okay, so she has one, this one is matte bronze, right? Matte bronze. And then she has this one that's, where is it? I need it. Where did it go? Matte silver. And I may or may not have a mixed metal foil bundle coming out that's matte bronze and matte silver. And I was like, wouldn't this be perfect? And then I can just like, I could order these in matte bronze and matte silver, change out the boxes, and then I can do these and like, I'll pick one because I'm not going to buy them both because I feel like I'm being extra now. Or I could get like matte bronze, matte silver, like regular like confetti boxes and put them under the black. There's like a lot of options here. So please let me know what you think. Do you think I should stick to silver, or do you think that I should use the future matte bronze, matte silver, mixed metal, and then buy the extras all over again? Please let me know in the comments down below. And the matte silver, when I come out with it, I do have, I can show you. I have the, actually, is this coming out soon? No, it's coming out in a couple weeks. This one. I have the matte samplers for it as well. So yeah, so let me know what you think. Should I keep the silver? Should I do matte bronze and matte silver? Because that's what I wanted to do initially. Because like you have, it's like a more of a bronzy gold in here. I mean, there's like a goldy gold. And then you have the silver. I feel like that would be a vibe. I kind of really want to do it. But I feel like, am I going to order these stinking Pirates overlays and another foil? Like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I could layer them, so. But then there's another foil. Okay, so if you don't want to go that way, you don't want to go silver. There was another foil that I was like, I think that this would be cool. Actually, Hannah might have said it would have been cool. I don't remember. It was one of our brains that thought it would be cool. Hold on, let me show you. That this one would be really cool. It would be actually really cool with the Atlantis one too. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it out there just in case. This one, it is tie-dye blue, but it's a blue that has dark blue, light blue, and silver in it. Come on, focus. So I thought that that'd be really cool, like to kind of pull in like the water and the sky, but that would also be really pretty in here, like to mimic the water. Anything that has like a blue for water, I think that would be really fun in. So many options. Anyways, I think I really want to do the matte bronze and the matte silver. Let me know what like your plan is if you're using this kit, or like what would you do? What would you do right now in my situation? And then last but not least, I do have the April 2022 mystery. Like I said, I was going to use this. Oh my goodness. My new Planet Hannah. Oh my God, so cute. Let me show you. My new freebie. So cute. Okay. So I was going to use this in June, but then I moved it to July because it's going to happen this year because this is like one of my favorite mysteries. I think it's so beautiful. I love the colors. This is another one that would be really pretty with the matte bronze, and this would be pretty with matte bronze and the matte silver that's going to come out. This would also be really pretty with the foil bundle that I just came out with, one that I'm using for Atlantis. The gold and the champagne lights mixed together would be really pretty. Personally, I am using it with what it came with, which was the tropical lavender hollow. I think that this is a banger together. And then I was thinking, oh, there's gold in it. What if I pair it also with gold hollow from Planet Hannah? So I got the mermaid, which is Ariel quotes, because I thought that'd be cute. And then I just have a bunch of gold hollow stuff. And I was like, I will figure it out as I go, see what happens. And then I also got this because there's a tall box and a wide box. You can use the the lavender hollow one, but if anything, I'll just use this on the dolphin box that's right here. Super cute. And I think that, like, I don't know many kits that I would really put the lavender hollow and the gold hollow together, but I just feel like it works for this, right? Like, I just feel like it's gonna be pretty, a little vibe, something different, something I haven't done before. So I think that that'll be really exciting. And then that is everything for this month. Like always, I do have a little list of things that I probably will pick up. Who knows? Some of these might get bumped to next month if something else comes out that I'm like, oh, dang, I have to. But let's go ahead and give a little recap. So for the, oh, this is also the 4th of July. I don't really want to use the 4th of July kit. I just feel like sometimes I'm like, the ideas, I don't have any. And I'm like, red and blue, close enough, whatever. And actually we're doing like, just like a little like cookout type thing with like probably the Krasinskis this weekend. So, and actually the thing is I wanted to use the Goonies for Father's Day week, because I think from now on, instead of using a Father's Day kit, I think I just want to use a kit that I would use for Nick's birthday, because Nick's birthday is in December and is likely going to be the same weeks as Lila's and Kirsten's, and Lila's week obviously always prevails. So I think from now on, unless I'm doing something, which this year I am, I'm going to use a kit that I would use for Nick's birthday on Father's Day, because I think that works too, right? So that would have been there, but this is just a floater now. But like I said, we're doing like 4th of July things. We'll probably do like a water balloon fight and like eat. And then this is like red and blue. And then we have the Atlantis kit, the Captain Jack kit, and the April 22 mystery. These really don't have any reason why. I just know I wanted to use them this summer, so here they are. But again, they could be moved, they could be bumped. We will see. The only one that I'm 100% sure of this month is going to be this one, because it's like red and blue, so let's do it. Otherwise, that is everything. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Definitely let me know for twinning any of the weeks. If you're using any of the kits and using a different foil, let me know, because maybe I'll change my mind. It's totally possible. It's happened a lot of times. But yeah, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!